CanCode is an initiative from the Government of Canada, and they are basically trying to fuel the innovation economy here in Canada, mostly by targeting the youth. And so really providing them the ability to attend events and attend programming by local organizations and spreading digital literacy curriculum content from coast to coast to coast.
These kind of events are a perfect way for us to connect students with technology. It's not about making sure that they have all the skills necessary to be able to go on the tech sector or something like that. It's just to spark that curiosity, because anyone can learn those skills, anyone can be digitally literate. It's just about really getting them engaged.
Today we talked about 3D printing and programming. Our first section was about programming, and we used the Circuit Playgrounds by Adafruit. Students learn how to use different components of the Circuit Playground or the microprocessor. They did songs, they did light animations, and they put it all together. They learned about using functions to make their lives easier. And then we went on to talk about 3D printing and how that affects their lives. We had a really cool volunteer here that has a lot of 3D printing experience, and so he showed us how he can use his projects to help people with exceptionalities like carry groceries and turn keys and just make their lives easier. Then the students use our 3D doodlers, which are basically 3D printing pens. And they created their own designs to either suit their previous programming projects or to create some personal projects of their own.
With this, so what I did is on graph paper, I drew like a rectangle and filled it in with like squares, so like with lines, crisscrossing lines. Then I folded it up and crossed lines through it, and then glued it on. Basically, that's it.
What I'd like the students to go away from this event with is an excitement for what the tech industry holds for all of our daily lives, and really seeing how they can not only be consumers of that tech, but also creators of that tech.
I highly encourage you or your kids to come out to these events. They're really cool. They got a lot more interactions of mentors or teachers to students that we don't usually get. And even just being here at a location as cool as this and have an amazing view of downtown Vancouver was really exciting. So you should come out.